structure. You guys must know what is the cell, right? Cell is the smallest living unit of an organism. All cells have cell membrane which separate the inside of the cell from the environment. For the example, there are cytoplasm, which are gel-like fluid, and DNA, which is the cell. There are two broad categories of cell. The first category is eukaryotic cell. They have organelles, which includes the nucleus and other special parts. The eukaryotic cells are more advanced complex cells found in plants and animals. The second category is prokaryotic cell. They don't have nucleus or membrane-enclosed organelles, but they do have genetic materials, but it's not contained within a nucleus. The prokaryotic cells are always one cell or unicellular organism. And then there's an organelle. Organelle means a little organ. Organelles are the specialized part of a cell that have unique jobs to perform. The first one is a nucleus, or the control of the cell. This nucleus contains the DNA or genetic material. This DNA dictates what the cell is going to do and how it's going to do it. And then in DNA there's a chromatin. Chromatin is the template spread out of DNA that found inside the nuclear membrane. And when the cell is ready to divide, DNA consists into structures known as chromosome. And then there are a nucleus, which is the structure where ribosomes are made. After ribosomes have leave the nucleus, they will have the important job of synthesizing or making protein. Outside the nucleus, the ribosome and the rest of organelles float around in cytoplasm. Ribosomes may wander freely within the cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, or as known as ER. There are two types of ER. The first one is rough ER and the smooth ER. The rough ER that has the ribosome attached to it, and then there are the smooth ER that doesn't have ribosome attached to it. And then there's a lysosome. Lysosomes are the garbage collector that take in the damages or worn out cell parts. They are filled with enzymes that break down this cellular debris. And then the next organelle is mitochondria. Mitochondria is a powerhouse of a plant and animal cells. During a process called cellular respiration, the mitochondria make ATP molecule that provide the energy for all the cell activities. The cells that need more energy have more mitochondria. And then we move to the last cell, which is a plant cell. The plant cell have organelle called chloroplast. The chloroplast is where photosynthesis happens. The color of the chloroplast is green because it has a green pigment called chlorophyll. Plants are also have a cell wall to protect the cell, which makes them different from the animal cell. Okay, I think that's all for me. Hope you guys understand what I say. And yeah, goodbye.